Stig! Oh yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hello dear.
Thank God we got a great weather for it.
Lovely weather for us, thank God. Thanks to Jesus.
It's a bit damp, alright.
Ah, cheers to that.
Temp for sure, like. There's great motivation in the lads, the young lads. It's great to see the youth out. It's great to see the youth out.
Welcome guys to another video. I'm at Limerick Airsoft Camp where my team has to protect a briefcase and stop the enemy team from getting it. So sit back and relax and enjoy the gameplay. And if you do enjoy this video, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to keep up to date with all my latest videos. Today I'm using my ASG EVO Scorpion and my Mauri M&P 9. It'd be great if you could hit them from here, wouldn't it?
Why Charles?
Hello, Ken. Bring the GIs home now. This is shit, Lieutenant. What the hell? I love the war. The things it does to people. Turns them into brutes.
No, I'm not hitting them.
Anya, you guys still there? Up ahead. Watch yourself. Chris, to your left. Yeah.
And here we see the rare pigeon airsoft in action.
There's a lad moving up.
Yeah.
There's another lad there. Yeah, I see lads, they're probably moving down towards the gate there. So if you just keep in tight so they can't hit you from that angle. Watch. There's incoming foot. Watch him. Trying to get in the bus? Watch yourself. Just keep clung to that side and you should be okay. That should protect you there in front.
The Stig and the monkey man. There is goggles behind it though.
Can we go down to the gate?
Yeah,
below?
sure. You're the archway, yeah? Of course, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good to know, good to know.
Good to know, good to know. I just spot a player. I will reposition and try and flank him. Unfortunately, I couldn't flank him, but I do spot him at the gate.
No eyes on him.
One is under the stepper.
There's another guy behind the tire wall there.
He just moved the
Someone's piston's going to die.
He's moved the small bit by the tire wall.
No eyes on him.
He's straight ahead of you, Chris. He's straight ahead of you.
Good shot!